G'day guys, it's Dave here. We're just at the family home. I'm just going to show you my wife's garden that she's got, well, all her pot plants and that she's got a stack. So I'll just quickly go through it. Got a lot of cactus and things like that. She's into her flowers and stuff. Got more cactus and all different types. I like these little things here, they're nice and bright. Moving along here. See that section there, we go over here. Don't ask me what flowers they are because I have no idea. I don't have a green finger. I go over here, it's all around here. And then we go over to here. We'll walk across the driveway over here. Get more over here. She's really into her flowers. We'll walk across here. This is our block of land. That's how we're going to build over there. We're going to build a house over there. I don't know when, but hopefully not too far away. Some more here. It's very hot today. It's 35 degrees Celsius. And walk over here. There's more over here. That's my car. Okay, got some more over here. All different types, and a couple more over here. Okay, got quite a few trees on the property here. I remember about 10 years ago they were all small. They're all sort of flourished now. We've got all fruit trees and that growing down here, and God knows what. My father-in-law, he comes over and helps maintain the yard for us because we've been away for a while. There's some wood trees over there. Okay, I just wanted to show you that, and I hope you there's where all the chickens are down in there. I hope you found that interesting. Look at these little purple ones growing here just on the ground. Yeah, I hope you found that interesting, and if you can give us a big thumbs up, drop a comment, let us know what your favourite flower was, and smash that subscribe button because it really helps the channel grow. Okay, thanks guys, catch us all later.